I think without a doubt, the Good Friday Agreement and the restoration of devolution in Northern Ireland, and I've been privileged to be able to work on its implementation and indeed delivering the agreements in 1998. I think it's important as a constitutional milestone because it provides security for the constitutional position of Northern Ireland, either retaining the status quo as part of the United Kingdom while that remains the wish of a majority of people there, or providing an ordered constitutional peaceful pathway towards a united Ireland if that's what the people of Northern Ireland want. Crucially, it places the future of Northern Ireland in the hands of the people of Northern Ireland rather than any external influences. It provided a catalyst for change, an opportunity for a new beginning without forgetting the challenges of the past. And I think if you go back and read the opening declaration to the agreement, or listen to the version of it that I set to music and was performed during lockdown by the Spark Opera and Northern Ireland Opera Associates, the words of that and the commitment to making a better future are really powerful, and we've seen huge benefits from that.
An end to major disruption and hostility in Northern Ireland through the peace process there, I would say, is one of the biggest achievements in the UK state, supported, of course, by the civil service. Going slightly wider than that, I would say that the programme of constitutional change delivered by the Labour government, including particularly the Human Rights Act, but also devolution, whatever your views politically about those things, they have made a great change to the administration of this country. Certainly when it comes to devolution, it's difficult to imagine ever going backwards on those changes, radical though they were at the time. The Human Rights Act is, of course, now itself under scrutiny by the current government, and there may yet be significant changes. But I would say that that programme of constitutional change has had a very big effect on the life of the country and the way that we're going.
One change that actually, something I actually thought of myself, and this got taken up back in 1998-99, which was to introduce paternity leave. And up till then we had maternity leave, but we didn't have any time for which men were entitled to take off around the birth of a child. And so my view was that it would be, at the time anyway, it would be very difficult to pay for men to have long periods of paid paternity leave in the way that we had already legislated for women. But I thought it would be a very good thing, very good signalling to allow some paternity leave. So we proposed 2 weeks of paternity leave, and that was taken up, and that was actually manageable even by quite small businesses. And that, of course, over the years then led to there being more rights for men, and we now have shared parental leave and so on. But it was the beginning of a process. So I was quite pleased with that one, and that obviously made a very big difference to, a very large number of people who were able to get 2 weeks off at the time of the birth of their child, and now more.